আসসালামু আলাইকুম। ইংলিশে মুখের জড়তা কাটানোর জন্য আপনাকে যে জিনিসটা বেশি করে প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে সেটা হচ্ছে ইংলিশ tongue twister. When you practice more and more tongue twister, that time your mumbling problem must be removed. So always try to practice tongue twister. And how can you practice tongue twister? I'm sharing right now. I am also learning this tongue twister and I'm practicing this tongue twister. So let's get started. At first, you read attentively and pronouncing correctly every word. Top, cup, top, tom, tide, ton, tide, toes, totally tired today. Khallos kicks a khalikona kick. Papa Poppy pets a pity parrot. Look like this. When you read attentively and carefully, after that you try practice very fast. Look like top cup top tom tera ton tai toes totally tired today khalus kicks a khalikana kick papa boy pets a pity virus killing khabakadol totally terrific active tongue twister the sick shake sip can quite like it k doesn't care for can pull the boy pick the pen to poke the pota a cup of proper in a kopaku cup high tech traveling tractor tailor tractor Peter Piper picked a pick of people peppers. Pickpocketing in public transport portrayed a painful picture. 30,000 thirsty snake thirsty drunk 3,000 legs. My sister sells silcher, but Mr. Fisher's sister doesn't sell silcher. She sells seashell by the seashore, the sell seashell actually seashore. 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. Picture of prominent poet previously portrayed the perfection of poetry arena. Mr. Tongue Twister tied to his tongue to twist and tried to learn the letter T. Papa, please pay the payable payment of pen, paper, and pencil to the paper house. Canadian Coffee House KFC campaign for the chocolate cat in Cambodians. Campaign catches the concentration of Cambodians. Power plant produce more power to provide the better service for public. So to produce more power connection publicly, public-private entrepreneurship is more profitable. This like tongue twister practice more and more. When you practice more and more, that time your mumbling problem must be removed. And I am also trying to practice tongue twister because I have lot of mumbling problem and I will try to remove this. Thank you everyone for hearing me with patience. Whatever I learn, I'm sharing with you. Please support me and when I make any mistake, please share me because I need to remove my all the drawback. And when you remove your all the drawback, that time you are a very smart and very handsome person, and you practice more and more because practice makes man perfect. I'm trying to practice more and more. Thank you everyone for hearing me with patience. I am apologize for my any mistake. See you again. Bye bye. Tata.